Hey there, this is Attorney Dan with Attorney Stephen Liu. We've been working on a couple of estate planning cases together over the last couple of months, and I thought I'd have Stephen here come and chat with us about estate planning and what he's experienced over his 20 years of practice. So thanks for joining us.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Yeah, so let's kind of get right into it. For someone watching this video now, for some of them, they say, hey, yeah, I need to talk to an attorney about either updating my plan or, now I've got kids, I got a house, and I need to start putting some stuff pen to paper. But maybe someone who's like on the fence, right? Saying, I'm not sure, I don't have that much stuff. What would you say to them about starting the process? Maybe at least having conversations with themselves about planning.
I would say there are clients that I would say you don't need a trust. If you have all your assets in, for example, the IRAs, the qualified plans, and most important, you don't have real estate. I would say I can kind of black and white it. If you have real estate, most likely, you'd want to do a trust. There are other ways around it, but if you're in California and you own real estate, we're already talking about a certain net worth. And do you want to take your chances with a TOD deed? There's a transfer on death deed. You can transfer it, right? Again, it's another poor man's estate plan, but are you really poor? In this case, if you own real estate in California, you should have the comparable estate plan to cover that amount of your assets. So that's what I would set it at. But if you don't have real estate, it's just qualified plans. You can do beneficiaries. Sure. I've told you, I said, maybe you don't have to spend the legal fees for that and be able to set it up that way. So yeah, there are cases like that. But I think maybe the general rule is, again, I think I like chatting with people and chatting through, and that helps, and they can walk away. I'm very happy with saying, you don't need a trust. You don't need my services. Thank you very much. It's great talking to you. Nice meeting you. I'm okay with that. And I think you are too.
Yeah, I've had this exact same situation that I didn't know their financial situation ahead of time. They said, yeah, I think they need a trust. And they were like 2 years into it, like, yeah, I know I need one, I know it, right? And so every time I've had a case come in, hey, I just helped someone with this trust. And it's, yeah, I know. So finally, they said, I actually only have a 401k. Then I said, if that's the only thing you have, just name the beneficiary and then have your advanced healthcare directive and financial power of attorney and you're set. Right. So
I think we're happy to do that, right? Like just to have that chat. And sometimes they're so hesitant. People are so hesitant to talk to the lawyer, but maybe the doctor just basically says, "Oh yeah, no, you're in good bill of health." That's great news, and I'm very happy to inform people.
Yeah.